In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Zendesk Help Center. Step-by-step guide. Having a well-configured Help Center is crucial for providing outstanding customer support, so let's dive right into setting it up properly and efficiently. To begin, let's navigate over to the Zendesk Admin Center. This is your go-to hub for configuring a range of settings within your Help Center. Once you're logged into Zendesk, you can easily find the Admin Center in the main sidebar. It's that simple, yet this step is often overlooked because of the many options presented on the dashboard. Make sure to give yourself a moment to get familiar with the Admin Center if it's your first time, as you'll be spending quite a bit of time here. Once you're in the Admin Center, you'll want to see the setup guides. These guides are incredibly useful, especially if you're new to Zendesk. They provide clarity and direction, helping you understand what configurations you can make, and more importantly, why they matter. Find the See Setup Guides link. It's typically right there on your Admin Center homepage. That should bolster your confidence as you proceed through the setup. Now, let's direct our attention to the Help Center option. Click on it, and what you'll notice is a range of customization opportunities presented to you. Each one plays a role in tailoring your Help Center to meet the specific needs of your customers and your support team. As you scroll through these options, take note of any that stand out as particularly relevant to your operation. This might be the overall layout, the way categories are presented, or even specific components you wish to highlight. The customization element is powerful here, so use it to your advantage. It's essential to explore each setting with a critical eye. Think about your customer support strategy and how each setting can either enhance or hinder it. Does your setup reflect the kind of service experience you aim to deliver? Are the categories intuitive? Can content be easily searched? Answering questions like these while configuring ensures your Help Center becomes a strategic asset. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've laid the groundwork for a more efficient and customer-friendly Zendesk Help Center. Remember, a well-configured Help Center not only saves time, but also elevates the customer experience. It reflects your commitment to providing excellent support. So take the time to refine it as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Good luck with your Zendesk Help Center configuration, and see you in the next video.